What up? What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again on the stovetop today. I got some shrimp. Gonna season it with some Cajun Creole season. That's my favorite go-to for my seafood. Then I got some Cajun catfish that I got from the fish market. They already had it pre-seasoned up for you. If not, I would have just seasoned it with the Cajun Creole. I got some lobster and crab cakes. I'm gonna pan fry them up, and I got my favorite go-to seafood bread. So I'm gonna start by just get your grease about the medium. Be very careful. And place it down in there. I'll go ahead and batter up another piece. Just like you would make like some salmon cakes, they're just already pre-made with crab meat. Look at that nice piece of lobster in it. I'm telling you, this thing is full of crab meat. Do you remember the name of the place? You got it? Yeah, I can't think of the name of the place, but if you're in Hampton Roads, hey, I'll put in the comments. They got a restaurant too. Can't think of the name off the top of my head. See how that fish coming nice and golden brown? There's some of these shrimp up. I peeled them and took the bottom tail off. Just boiled them up just like I did the fish. Gonna drop them in the grease. And these will be done soon. You like drop them in the grease. You know, shrimp don't take really long. And this bird's gonna throw a nice crisp on it. I'm gonna flip this other one over. Want a nice little crispy on it. You can see it's starting to float, but I don't know if it's crispy. Look at all that lobster meat right there. They're only like $4 a piece, but I mean, look, you're getting pretty much a lobster tail in there. Hey, what's your favorite seafood, guys? Gonna be nice and crispy. All you need is some good old hot sauce put on it, baby. But it's already pretty Cajun. So, here's that. I'm telling you, seafood is like my favorite thing. Wish I could find me a nice little spot to catch me some my own seafood. Wish I could go out on the shore and catch my own crabs and shrimp, but I know I gotta go deep out there. I don't have them kind of resources. Maybe one day. Come on over here and flip this catfish over. Look at that. Nice golden color. So these shrimp are pretty nice and, golden brown. You don't want to leave them in there too long. Excuse my mini-me. Yes, sir.
I can play this basketball game.
Okay, wait 1 second. Wait till I finish cooking, and after we eat, you can play it, okay? See, me, I think I was hard a little bit. I would have put in it. I would think it would have came apart of me. See, that batter gives it a nice color. Let's go ahead and put this other piece of Cajun fillet and Cajun catfish in here. Go ahead and batter up my last couple shrimp. Let's go ahead and flip these cakes one more time. Let them cook a couple more. It's a little smushy, huh? Supposed to be like that though, right? It happens. They just tell you there's no bread sticking in that together. That's all crab meat. All crab meat. This fish is going to be amazing.
People may want to know where you get your utensils from, so.
Where I get the utensils? The place where I get the utensils from, I got a really nice grandma, and she supplies pretty much all my cooking supplies, cause she enjoyed watching it, and she like to sit at home and watch QVC. So every time she sees something on QVC and she sees cooking, she think about me. When I tell you she's the best, she's my rock. These some ground and raw seafood. If you ever in the Hampton Roads, they got a restaurant too. Hey, I would highly recommend that you go by there. I'm telling you, it's amazing. Look at these. Look at that lobster. Excuse it broke apart, but it happens. Hey, check out the Cajun catfish. Look at that. Nice crab cake, shrimp. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you can get daily updated videos. More videos coming to you soon. Hey, you guys, let me know what else you want to see me try out. Hey, peace out.